Hello. So in this video, I'm going to teach to create simple t-shirt mockups. So this image I generated using AI from Leonardo. But you can create this from any other free AI image generator. Just a plain white t-shirt, white background, or a t-shirt mockup. That it will generate like this. So first thing you need to do is upscale this one. Be times two. Times 2, times 3, it's up to you how much you want. For example, this one ay times 2 upscale. Then I open Photoshop, the 2000, or even 150, it's good here. Or 300 also if you want a higher quality. So, right? After we resize, click rise. Need to fix this spot healing. It's fixed now. After that, select subject. It's selected now. Okay. Parts not included. So select here, hold shift, fix this area, close. And also hold shift. Okay. And Control J to make a duplicate. So right now this is the duplicate white shirt. Make another. This one white. One will make it a black. And change here to black. So press here and make new solid color. Maybe like this. Little gray black. And right click, create clipping mask. After that, set to hard light. Select this both and right click, merge layers. So now we have black, white. For this one now we will place our design. Example of the design. Align here, center. There. Okay. Right click, convert to smart object. So what we want to do here, right click, blending options. So this one, the underlying layer, we want to, the dark area, we want to highlight. So press Alt to split this. Alt, then click. Then this one. So you can see the adjustment there. You will see what is going to happen. We want to reduce a little the color and the highlight of the shirt, the shadow part of. We want a little shadow in here. Then press. This one, we can reduce also the opacity, maybe 85%. Okay, and after that, we can select filter. We add noise. Edit the difference. Can reduce. It depends on your what you want there. We can put little. The around the 7, 8. Then okay. Okay, that's it. It's pretty quick. This is very fast. So this is the simplest way to create a t-shirt mockup design. If you want to change the design, just double click here, upload the new design and hide this. Then save this one. So it will appear here on the new design. Example. Save. So this is now the new design. By only double clicking here, will come here. Okay, next. Okay, now don't forget to like and subscribe. So you will see my next videos. Okay, bye.